Hey! Oh, don't mind Emily just mucking around. Gave her 5 minutes to do herself up before the video, but here we are. So, someone on Snapchat hit me up and they're like, gee, can you do a laughing challenge for this Ruby, the swearing parrot? And the loser has to cook dinner for a week. So, because I'm so keen on them cooking dinner all week this week, we're gonna do it. So here it is.
Do it every week.
But this time I have an excuse. Did I even introduce us? Nah. Emily, MK, you too. Let's get this thing started, shall we?
What are you thinking about doing?
Oh,
Yeah, you won't be able to get out that window, darling.
Fuck off that bitch. Just
He's a swearer or what?
fuck off, rude.
Do you love me?
Fuck off. What the fat bastard?
I know I'm a fat bastard. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're frustrated. I'm sorry. You can fly around the room.
Oh well, I'm cooking dinner for a week.
Just. Hello, Angel.
Why is
Hello,
it so
Bubs.
funny, eh? Just a talking parrot.
Shut up.
I'm
twat.
just breathing.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Get on the road.
You're bloody rude, you little cheeky monkey.
What? Yeah. You hungry?
No.
Shut up. Freak. Back off.
Starting from now.
You already lost.
Starting from now.
Ah bon. Est-ce que vous voudrez boire?
Oh, what? Doesn't even speak English. Oh.
Cunt.
Why is it so funny?
Because you don't see a parrot every day swearing.
Yeah, hard. You don't see a parrot any day. Let alone a
We should
swearing
get a
one.
parrot. That'll be funny. Then.
Teach it. Call it
Well, let's not teach it swearing, but
Imagine if you had kids, eh? Oh, those kids would be bad.
Shocking.
Twat.
Come on, you can say other things from swear words. Stop cursing and speaking French.
What's he doing?
Shut up, you fat bastard. Yeah.
Stop it, you daft bugger.
Fuck off, Nick.
Don't be rude.
Careful. 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 Yeah, that's just. Careful.
Careful what? Why do you keep saying careful all the time?
Whew, it's hot in here, gee.
Your language is absolutely disgusting.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Get up, mate.
Yes, of course I love you.
Fuck off, you cunt.
That's charming.
Shut up, you cunt.
pick up, breathe.
Motherfucker.
Hey, this parrot, eh?
Fuck off, you cunt. Stop. What sausage? What the fuck?
Hey, imagine just sitting there roasting, having a roasting battle with a
Very
parrot.
funny.
Fuck
I'm not
you,
trying to
little
be
feathery
funny.
fuck. Fucking
Fuck
twat.
off, you cunt.
What did you say?
Fat bitch.
Don't. Don't.
Careful, alright? Get off there.
Pardon?
Got rid of that bitch.
You're a fat bitch.
You're a fat bitch. No, you're a fat bitch.
Come here, fat bastard.
Bro, what the hell, dude? This is great.
Do you think he's taught the parrot that?
Oh, yeah.
Or do they learn
Oh,
that
don't be
just from,
disgusting.
like, listening?
Cunt.
Oh, you're funny. Under the water, under the sea, how many big fat titties can you see?
Yeah, he definitely told him.
Why can't I be nice to you?
What a beautiful parrot. Fuck up you.
No, I'm not. Yours, Molly.
Oh, what the fuck?
Let's not.
No, are you a lesbian? No, are you a lesbian?
Cunt wallet.
Shit, cut bollocks.
Wallet. Fat wallet.
Fat bollocks.
Pitbull. Yeah, I don't know. Probably by repeating someone else, but not like,
Fuck off.
oh, like that you hear a bird outside laughing.
Well, it could be a different
maybe that's
sound.
that bird going at the looking window every night. Oh,
They could be having a good old laugh with it.
probably just like,
Any messages for YouTube?
We should Google that, eh?
For your loyal, loving friends?
birds tweet, that's all they do. And there we have it. Well, I easily lost that. Oh well, taste for dinner every night.
Thank you
Taste
for
for-
suggesting that.
taste- Well,
I
me
would
green
like
noodles.
a little bit more effort
Okay,
than that,
me
please.
green noodles with eggs and a bit of basil.
Bit of garnishing.
Bit of garnish. But there we have it. Another video down. Sponsored by Bomb Life NZ. Excuse the big titties behind the shirt. But yeah, that was Ruby. He's a bit of a rude prick, but still pretty
Do you
funny.
think Ruby would be a girl though? So I call it Ruby.
I don't know. It's a buddy bird.
Okay,
Sounded
let's
like a
go.
boy to me. Nah. What does
Maybe
a boy
it's
bird
a
sound like?
woman
What does a
that
girl bird
has
sound like?
Deep voice.
You heard that here first on It's a funny bird, man. Who cares? Anyway,
Until next
until next time. By the way, the video link and the music in the song on this video will be in the description below. Help yourself. Emily, if you want to close us off with a
Yeah.
Letting you know.